former U.S. National Security Advisor and Ambassador John Bolton. Thanks for joining us today.
Glad to be with you. Thanks for having me.
Thank you, Ambassador Bolton. As you know, the Iran situation now getting worse day by day in the Middle East as well. It's all related, the Middle East problems and Iran, what's happening. So let's start with what are the primary objectives of Israel and the United States in Iran, first of all.
Well, I think the threat that the regime of the Ayatollahs poses in their efforts to get a nuclear weapon and also their worldwide terrorist activities really pose threats in the Middle East and on a worldwide basis. And I think it's to eliminate those threats that's the main motivation. I think we've learned from history that the only certain way that those threats can be eliminated is by changing the regime, to have some different form of government. Whether that's exactly what the objective of the United States is not entirely clear. I think it is the objective of Israel. And we'll know in, I think, fairly short order how successful that's going to be.
Secondly, do you consider Donald Trump's war strategy and tactics regarding Iran to be correct or effective? Why or why not?
I think the principal focus of the attacks is the leadership of the regime and the institutions of state power that allow the Ayatollahs to threaten others around the world and to threaten their own people. So that by destroying the top of the leadership, by diminishing the Revolutionary Guard and its Quds force and its besieged militia, you're beginning to pull the regime apart at the top and to create conflicts within its leadership that eventually will cause it to collapse. At the same time, I think that where we have not done enough, at least as far as I can tell, is in working with the opposition inside Iran, which is very, very widespread, but not well organized in most cases. And we could provide assistance in many different respects, communications equipment, resources, weapons if necessary, to help the opposition identify leaders within the regime who see that the ship is sinking and don't want to go down with it, and who will come over to their side. And I think given the fact that many ethnic groups inside Iran have been mistreated by the regime for many years, and thinking of the Kurds specifically, that it would be helpful to all of the opposition in Iran to mobilize the ethnic groups so that they can stand up for their own rights. I think all of the pressure that we can put on the Revolutionary Guard is positive. And then after the regime falls, perhaps there'll be a temporary military government of some kind. And then freed from the Ayatollahs, the peoples of Iran can make up their own mind what they want their future to be.
Thank you so much. You make two different points, which is very important for me as well. I will ask these both of them again, but just before that, for the United States, is the collapse of the Iranian regime sufficient in itself, or is it there a specific political order or alternative regime that Washington aims to establish afterwards? Yes, you also mentioned a short period of time there might be a military control mechanism, but how about the aims to establish afterwards that war?
No, I don't think the Trump administration has any specific plan, and I don't really think a specific plan is necessary or even helpful beforehand. It's certainly wrong to decide that one person or one group is going to be the new government of Iran after the Ayatollahs fall. I think it diminishes the capability of the opposition by dividing the opposition at a time when what we should be focused on is dividing the regime. So many people say, but what's your plan for the day after? And my point is, we on the outside can't write that plan. The peoples inside Iran have to make up their minds, and we can see many possibilities, but it should be allowed to the people of Iran to make that decision, not us.
Thank you so much. So, as you mentioned, the indigenous groups of the Iran, one of the biggest ones is the Kurds, and you also already mentioned that Kurds are being under suppression in Iran for long decades since the regime established, and the Kurds are the highest numbers that has been executed in Iran. So, how about the Kurds? What kind of dangers they should expect from what's happening right now in Middle East?
Well, we know that the regime has focused more on the Kurds over the years than almost any other group because they appreciate that the Kurds are willing to stand up for their rights, and that frightens the Ayatollahs. I have long advocated creating a separate, independent Kurdish state, and it's been the fate of the Kurds for, unfortunately, a long time to be divided up among other countries. And how that works out in the future, I think, remains to be seen. I don't think you can rule it out. I don't think you can rule anything out at this point for what happens inside Iran. So I think what I would encourage people to focus on is getting rid of the Ayatollahs, because if we don't get rid of the Ayatollahs, all the other possibilities just remain hypothetical.
Thank you so much, dear ambassador. So it's related with the questions before. What role does the Turkey play in the Iran war? And politically speaking, what consequences or position do you foresee for Turkey in the aftermath of this conflict?
Well, the Erdogan government has not been helpful at all, as far as I can tell, to the United States, and it's been unhelpful in many respects in many parts of the Middle East. Not to mention Syria, and even after the fall of the Assad regime, and what they've done to the SDF in Syria, and I think mistakes that have been made there. So I don't really see Turkey having much of a constructive role in the aftermath in Iran. I think the main thing that we should do is allow the peoples of Iran to make up their own minds. I think the U.S. should be prepared to help protect that process going forward, and having a lot of others who have parochial interest in what they want to see, what outcome they want to see, not dominate the will of the Kurdish people, who have been repressed by this regime for 47 years now.
Thank you, Ambassador. Also, many people are saying this answer can be very shortly, but many people are saying that Turkish-Kurdish conflict now in the peace process, as you follow. So the both sides are trying to find a way to make the Kurds constitutionally to be existed in constitution as a constitutional rights in Turkey. So do you think this peace process should be supported, and if it be successful, this will reflect to the Middle East in a positive way, at least a peaceful solution?
Well, if that were able to happen, I think that that could well have effects, obviously, throughout the Middle East as a whole. I just know Erdogan's record in the past, and I know he's in political difficulty inside Turkey now, which may account for his finally reaching out to the Kurds to try and make amends and come to a fair agreement. So I support the process, and I think it may take a considerable amount of time. The process inside Iran could take a lot of time too, and it's just we're going to have to wait and see what happens. The first, as I say, certainly in Iran, the prerequisite for all of this is getting rid of the current regime.
Thank you so much, Ambassador. Lastly, very shortly, in your view, what is the United States doing right now today regarding the Iran war, and where do you think it is making mistakes? Is there any mistakes on this continuing war?
Well, I think the focus on the Revolutionary Guard is the best part of it, but I do think, since Trump has basically ruled out boots on the ground in the sense of large conventional military forces, there may be special operations forces, but since he's ruled out boots on the ground, we have to have help to the opposition to allow them effectively to protect their own interest, and to put pressure on whatever remains of the Revolutionary Guard and the Basiji. And I don't think we've offered enough assistance. I think Trump has been inconsistent. I thought he was going to provide additional support for the Kurds, and then he seemed to back away from that. Things may be going on behind the scenes, and that's fine. That's often necessary in conditions of war. But overwhelmingly, I think the most important place where we're not doing everything that we could is in helping the opposition inside Iran.
Thank you so much. Lastly, very shortly, we have only 1 minute left. If you would like to give any message to Kurds, what they should seek attention, or anything I didn't ask, anything you would like to add on, it's your free TV. You can say anything you would like to.
Well, my best wishes to the Kurdish people. It's been a long time that you've wanted an independent state. Perhaps we're getting close to that. I hope so. It's been a very difficult effort, I know, but there are many, many Americans who support the idea of an independent Kurdistan.
Thank you so much, Ambassador Bolton, former U.S. National Security Advisor, Ambassador John Bolton. Thanks for joining us. Thank you for your valuable comments.
Well, thanks again for having me. Glad